So Bitcoin is back to 63,000 and I'm not really surprised. We got the 50 base point cuts. Cuts are really bullish for crypto. And the last cuts we had, they were in 2020. That's before the 2021 bull run. And that's why I am really bullish. I think we might get another big crash or some decent dump in September or early October because everyone is so bullish right now. I wouldn't be surprised if we got some decent dump. But after that, we go into the full blown crypto euphoria, crypto bull run. Q4 is really bullish. I think late October is the latest when we will start seeing significant pumps in the Bitcoin and in the whole crypto space. That's why I don't fade the crypto right now. Research AI, gaming, deep in projects on crypto. These will do the biggest gains in whole 2025 crypto bull run euphoria. Also, research ordinals, research NFTs. Also, here you can see the global liquidity is starting to go up. Gold price is at its all-time high. You can see it right here. The stock market is at its all-time high as well. Trump recently bought Bitcoin for the first time. This is the first president that bought Bitcoin officially. Really bullish time. That's why my recommendation is for you to start researching great projects. Go on the cryptorank.io. Here you will see all the latest upcoming crypto projects. That's where I find most of the gems that I invest in. This is not a financial advice. Also, there is some NFT alpha. First is Azuki project. You can go on anime.com. Here is basically where you can sign up for the whitelist. It's really a fun way to sign up, and I would recommend you to do it because these are the times when everything is still quiet and when NFTs will go through the roof. That's when everything will go 10x, 100x higher. And I think these anime stickers that you can get on this whitelist when you sign up, these will go for pretty high cost. That's why don't miss out this opportunity. Another thing that happened is Bored Ape Yacht Club just released their mobile game called Dookie Dash Unplugged. This is where you can play games, earn prizes, and I think you will get some benefits for playing and ranking reasonably high because again, when NFT bull run starts, all these big projects will be so profitable that they will just throw money at you. That's why don't fade the Dookie Dash game. It released basically yesterday for many countries today. That's why start playing it, play daily, try to rank up as high as you can, and most likely you will get some rewards. And overall, I'm really bullish on crypto, on NFTs, on ordinals, on everything, because we are in the last 20, maybe 30 days when we are basically going sideways. Soon we will reach new all-time highs. We will go past 73,000. Always remember the BlackRock is buying Bitcoin. Institutions are buying Bitcoin. This is different bull run than the previous ones. Many people are comparing these rate cuts to 2008 crash. Many people think that we will be crashing, which doesn't make sense because it was different times, different macroeconomics, and this time it's really different. So keep your eye on crypto, and if you don't want to miss on any upcoming crypto, NFT, and airdrop alpha, press that like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto, NFT, and airdrop alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.